I have a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan model number MZ44BNK3LR. I was told I can't buy a replacement remote. Will the universal remote work?
Have you replaced the ceiling fan or switch before? If so, how long ago?
No.
How long has this been going on with your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
June 2020.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, ma'am.
Hi. My name is I will be assisting you today. Give me a moment or two to check on that model. A universal remote will not work in your fan. But here is a link to a replacement remote that I believe is the remote for your fan. https://www.zoro.com/hunter-fanlight-remote-control-99123/i/G09376445/feature product. According to the model number you provided, it appears that you have the Mazon ceiling fan. This model came equipped with a receiver and remote made by Enderic. I suggest that you confirm the exact remote that you have and order from them directly. This will ensure that it will work with the receiver component in the fan. Here is a link to the Enderic webpage, https://www.enderic.com/product-page/fan35T remote control for Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. I'm glad that I was able to assist you today. Feel free to return if you need additional assistance. Please feel free to come back with any future questions. You can start your inquiry with For Wire Guy Franklin. If I'm on the site, I'll be happy to assist you. You also have the option to add me as one of your favorite experts. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.